And the second, vision of the young. And the third is we celebrate the idealism and the idealism and energy of young people. Kanina, sinabi ko na our world can be consumeristic. You are measured by what you have, kung ano meron ka, by what you possess. And so, you feel poor and are marginalized kapag in this state of the art, yung gadget. O kaya, kapag ang t-shirt mo hindi tag Hoyer, kundi tag hirap. Ano yun? Kita niyo ba yung ano? Pero, we have to celebrate the idealism of the young people. Isa sa mga, what you call this, fuerza, one of the powers that young people have is their idealism. Tingnan nyo to. It is very difficult to build something, to build a house. Pero napakadaling sirain ang bahay. It is difficult to compile